to another video of our project today. Today we're going to talk about the design course we co-organized with AutoDesk Turkey. So we believe designing is very important, not just for first tournaments, but actually for all aspects of life. I mean, design is in everything. Not only for designers, but for everyday people, design is a must-know. So we co-organized a Fusion 360 course with AutoDesk Turkey between the 26th and 30th of November to students, because we believe that every student should know design and Fusion 360 while growing up. It was a huge success, so then we actually decided to further the partnership between us and AutoDesk Turkey.
Yeah, and that's why we started a partnership with them and organized another event for teachers this time. Between the 21st and 24th of January, we're planning to give 360 courses, Fusion 360 courses, to a great number of teachers around Turkey. And this is pretty exciting for us because taking design out of its zone and making people know how to design and how to dream is pretty important for us as an FRC team and as individuals.
Yeah, so design is actually about imagination, and every person should get a chance to put what their imagination is into real life. So that's why we organize these courses.
Hope it will be beneficial to all people who
Yes,
organize and who take it.
Yeah, so that's about it for today. See you next time.
Bye.